You just got to create your own joy. Yes, you just got to create your own joy. Hello, this is Joy Brooks. Come to you again with Creating All Things Joy. And today we are doing the Goodwill. And in the meantime, and in between time, I am going to give you 5 tips to thrifting successfully, meaning that you don't turn yourself into a hoarder. Okay, let's get started. We're looking at some stuff right here that's right at the front door of the Goodwill of this particular store. They have a tendency to put a big number of things in a little room they have right by the front door, and that's what we're looking at right now. Now, me personally, I'm looking for stuff that maybe I can put in my container garden, or maybe I can use in my dollhouse, or in the creating of miniatures, furnitures, whatever accessories I need in my dollhouse. Now, if I run across some stuff that's good for my big house, I'm gonna do that as well. So we're just going through all the things that are inside the store. Now, as far as the tips are concerned, the first tip is gonna be only shop for what you need immediately. Only shop for what you're going to give away immediately. So you don't want to really get into shopping for a whole bunch of things at the same time because you find yourself just buying things you think cute or that bring a smile to your face. You don't want to do that. Like this little mailbox, we can use that for our garden scenes in the yard. It's really cute. And the little pig. So you're going to look for things that are containing to your hobbies, or maybe you're trying to add something to a wardrobe, or you're preparing for a project that you can really do, or it's a gift that you want to refurbish something, add your touches to it, and give away as a gift. Number 2, you want to ask the manager what days are their distribution days. What days are the days their particular store puts merchandise out on the floor. And you would like to know, if you could, what days do things go on sale? This particular day, they had a 75% off for any red tag items. So I was just tickled red and looking for things with the red tag. So you want to find out what's the best days to go to those stores. Number 3, which thrift stores are a top priority for exploring for the things that you are looking for? Goodwill is good for furniture. It's a good store for any kind of bric-a-brac, statues and vases and glasses. So this particular thrift store stocks a lot of new items as well. They have all kinds of inspirational things. Here's the baseball players' stats, um, little plaques for your great room, um, plaques for your family room, different things you might want to put on the wall. This is a particular frame for someone's 50th anniversary. You just add the pictures. And I love this one. This one is like a stained glass window, but it's really just a plaque. And then we have all kinds of sayings. And do you remember this? Look, Dick, look, Jane. Come on. I can't tell you the last time I seen something like that. I like that just for nostalgia's sake. And then they have, like I said, current and new things. And here they have this bird feeder. I can put that in my garden. Make sure if this is helpful to you that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It will help me so much. Okay, tip number 4. Get to know your local mom and pop thrift stores. They're dwindling right now, but they can have a lot of unique things that you might not see in the regular thrift stores. I know around here we have one store that's called Fabulous Again. I love that store. And then we have consignment stores. Now, consignment stores are stores that sell quality items. They're usually more expensive. Consignment stores, it's sort of like if you went to Big Lots and you bought a bookcase. 9 times out of 10, that bookcase is going to be made out of particle board. But if you went to a consignment thrift store, you're going to find a quality bookcase and it's going to be made out of real wood. Now, it's not going to cost you as much as it would if it was in a new store. Step 5. It doesn't hurt to make a list to keep yourself focused or make sure that you have a theme as to why you're coming to the store. Or if you're looking for items to resell in your online store. If you're looking for items that's going to be inspirational or new items that you might want to give away as a gift to kind of give yourself some guidelines. We're going to add one more tip. So this is tip number 6. Make sure you add 1 or 2 items that are for inspiration. Items that are going to inspire a new project. Items that's you're going to be able to add to your wardrobe or items that you may need for a future project in your hobby. Add maybe 1 or 2 things like that to your list of things that you want to obtain from the store. I love this one. Love, joy, and peace. Look at that. Look how much it was originally and how much it is now. And it was brand new. I love this box basket. It's very quality made. I can tell it was old. You try to buy that now, it's going to really cost you. We're looking for things that are going to help us with our inspiration. Like I said, the color was red. Red tickets were 75% off. So this was a great day to come to the store to look for things that I needed for my dollhouse or things that I needed for the garden. And so those are 5, 6 tips on how not to become a hoarder. You want to make sure that you only shop for what you immediately need or what you're going to immediately give away. 2, you're going to ask the manager what days they put items out on the floor and what are the sale items. Number 3, you're going to make sure that you determine which thrift stores selling what so that you know which stores to go to look for the items that you have on your list. And then 4, you want to get to know your local thrift stores so that you can have them call you when something that you're looking for comes in. You have a more intimate relationship with the storekeepers, and you want to do the consignment stores for more quality. And then 5, it doesn't hurt to have a list to kind of keep yourself reined in. And number 6, make sure you treat yourself by putting some of those long-term items on the list. Like this dollhouse, for instance. It was $20 here. It was $57 online. But online, it did have all the furniture and it had some little dolls to go with it. So it's $37 that you don't have to pay, but it's $37 worth of items you did not receive. So it's not a real bad buy if that's what you're looking for. Remember that you always want to create your own joy. I just want to thank you for being here on Creating All Things Joy, where we create things that bring a smile to our faces. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Till we meet again. You just got to create your own joy.